A panda was sleeping soundly under the shade of a tall bamboo tree. Suddenly, a snake slithered through the grass and struck the panda with a swift bite. The panda cried out in pain and tried to move, but he was too weak. Panda collapsed, breathing heavily, and lay there injured. A monkey was looking for ripe fruit. Hearing the panda's cry, the monkey lifted the panda and carefully carried him back to his treehouse. Money cleaned the wound, applied natural herbs, and gave the panda water to help him heal. Days passed, and the panda slowly began to recover. The monkey stayed by his side daily, cheering the panda with jokes, songs, and jungle stories. The panda regained his strength. A beautiful friendship blossomed between the two. Monkey and Panda spent their days playing, exploring, and protecting the forest together. Kindness and compassion can build bonds stronger than anything else in a world where danger can appear at any moment.